Which road sign means danger? Which road sign means no parking? Which road sign means U-turn? Which road sign means no overtaking? Which road sign means one-way traffic? Which road sign means uneven road? Which road sign means train crossing?